What's your name?
My name is James.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Where do you live?
I live in France.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read books.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go for a run every morning.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your favorite sport?
I like soccer.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite food?
I love sushi.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
Do you eat out often?
Not really, only sometimes.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Have you been to any other countries?
Yes, I've been to France.
What's your favorite place?
I love the beach.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
I usually travel with friends.
What's your dream destination?
I want to visit Japan.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
Do you like summer?
Yes, it's my favorite season.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Does it snow in your city?
Yes, in winter.
Do you like rainy days?
Not much.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite subject?
I like math.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I'm a doctor.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
How many friends do you have?
I have a lot of friends.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, every weekend.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I do.
Do you use social media?
Yes, every day.
What's your favorite app?
I like Instagram.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you prefer watching TV or YouTube?
I prefer YouTube.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love them.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at the mall.
What do you often buy?
I often buy clothes.
Do you shop online?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your favorite store?
I like Zara.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Titanic.
Do you go to the cinema?
Yes, once a month.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like Friends.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, most of the time.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I do.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, about 8 hours a night.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies.
Do you spend weekends with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you travel on weekends?
Not often, but I'd like to.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
I love going to the park.
Do you sleep late on weekends?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, with my family and friends.
What's your favorite festival?
I enjoy New Year's Eve.
Do you like fireworks?
Yes, they're beautiful.
Do you travel during holidays?
Yes, I try to.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite flower?
I love roses.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, always.
Do you use a laptop?
Yes, I use it for work.
Do you like video calls?
Yes, they're convenient.
Do you use email often?
Yes, for work and study.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you want to learn a new skill?
Yes, I want to learn photography.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I hope to have my own business.
Do you watch sports?
Yes, I watch soccer.
Have you ever played tennis?
No, but I'd like to try.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, it's fun and relaxing.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Do you like books or movies more?
I like movies more.